Hi, today we are going to see demo for e-Vigilance PHP web application. So first start the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Then go to the Visual Studio, first explore the Vigilance folder. Then you can see the addressing files and the source codes. Then click on the readme text. Here you can see the login detail and the URL link. Copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now you can see the e-Vigilance PHP web application. It's have three roles: officer, admin and user. First go to the admin. Enter the email ID and password. Now login successfully. First go to the officer. Here admin will be add the new officers on this page. So enter the name, email ID, then password, mobile number. Then select the location and select the department. Then click on the register. After you register the officer, next go to the view officer. Here you can see the all officer data on this page. Then admin will be update and delete the officer data. Next go to the all reports. Here you can see the total number of complaint status. Then you will search by a category wise. You can see the reports on this page. Then go to the feedback. Here you can see the user feedback on this page. Then click on the location. Here you can see the all cities list and you will update and delete. Then you can add the new city on this page. Then go to the department. Here you will be see the all department list and you will update and delete the list. Then you will add the new department on this page. Then my profile is edit your contact details. Next we will move for the user login. We have to sign up. Go to the sign up, register your given details. Enter your name, then email ID, then password. Then mobile number. Enter your address and city. Then click on the register. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Then click on the register. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password, then log in into the user home page. Now you can see the user home page. First go to the complaint. Here you can raise your vigilance problems on this page. So enter your name, then landmark, give your address and place, then select the location and the department. Whatever you select the location and department, that department officer will be receive your complaint. Then raise your complaint, then click on the submit. Next go to the status. Here you can see your complaint status on this page. Complaint status will be pending. Then you will upload your complaint proof on this page. So go to the upload photo. Here you will choose and submit. Then click on the update map. Here you can see the red bubble. Drag and drop to the red bubble, then click on the update geo map. Now you can update your location. Then go to the feedback. Here you will share our feedback on this page. Then if you want to contact our admin, go to the admin info. Here you can see the admin contact detail. Next we will move for the officer login. Enter the email ID and password, then login into the home page. Now you can see the officer homepage. First go to the complaint. Here you can see the user vigilance problems complaint on this page. Then you will see the complaint proof and you will update the completed proof on this page. Go to the photo, then choose the file and submit. After you see the complaint and go to the update status, here you will be give the reason and solution, then update your complete status. Then go to the show map. Here you can see the user location. Then go to the reports. Here you can see the total number of complaint status reports on this page. Then go to the customer. Here you can see the user data on this page. Then go to the feedback. Here you can see the user feedback on this page. That's the whole e-Vigilance PHP web application.